Introducing the Chicken Shredder, a powerful tool for effortlessly shredding large chicken breasts. Twist, brush, and fork your way to perfectly shredded chicken in no time. Say goodbye to messy, time-consuming shredding methods. With this handy gadget, dinner prep just got a whole lot easier.
Its sturdy construction and ergonomic design ensure precise tenderizing every time you use it. Say goodbye to tough cuts and hello to flavorful perfection with this essential kitchen tool. Its sturdy construction and ergonomic design ensure precise tenderizing every time you use it. Whether it's steak, chicken, or pork, this meat tenderizer is your key to achieving restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your own kitchen. Upgrade your cooking experience and unlock the full potential of your meats with our stainless steel meat tenderizer. Introducing the Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater, your all-in-one kitchen tool for effortless slicing and grating. Equipped with 3 interchangeable blades, this mandolin vegetable slicer makes quick work of fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Its easy-to-clean design ensures convenience after every use. Say goodbye to tedious food prep and hello to culinary efficiency with this versatile grater. Whether you're slicing cheese, shredding vegetables, or chopping nuts, the Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater is your go-to solution for hassle-free meal preparation. Elevate your cooking experience and add a touch of convenience to your kitchen with this essential gadget. Introducing the Orange Ninja 4-Stage Knife Sharpener, the ultimate solution for keeping your kitchen knives razor sharp. Crafted by Sharp Pebble, these premium sharpeners offer adjustable, handheld convenience for pocket knives, chef's knives, and serrated blades. With its 4-stage sharpening process, say goodbye to dull edges and hello to precision slicing. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this tool ensures your knives stay in peak condition. Plus, its sleek design adds a touch of style to your kitchen countertop. Upgrade your culinary experience with the Orange Ninja Knife Sharpener and unlock the full potential of your knives. Introducing our cordless electric spin scrubber, the ultimate cleaning companion for your home. With a powerful 400 RPM motor and 8 replaceable brush heads, tackle dirt and grime with ease. Enjoy up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge, with 3 adjustable sizes and 2 speeds to suit any task. Perfect for bathrooms, showers, bathtubs, glass surfaces, and even your car. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to sparkling cleanliness in no time. Upgrade your cleaning routine with our efficient and versatile spin scrubber for a spotless home every time.